Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and today I'm working on my 2004 Infiniti G35. And what I'm going to be doing today, I am going to be changing the Camshaft Position Sensor Bank 1 and also in Bank 2. But in this video, I am going to change Bank 1. And in case you don't know what is the difference, this one right here, the one that is straight edge right here, is Camshaft Bank 1, and this is Camshaft Bank 2. You see how it's like a little L on it? So don't confuse them. So the reason why I'm changing it is because the car has a code. I can't remember the code, but I'm going to put it in the link below. And it also, when it's about to start, it takes a little while to start. So I'm going to show you in case you go through the same thing. Like I said, I have the engine light on. So this is what happens. You hear it? And then it starts. So it's going and then it starts. So I'm going to be changing both bank. So let's do Bank 1. And Bank 1 is located right here in the passenger side. And it's this green one right there. That green one. Now it usually has a tab that you can push and pull, but it looks like it's broken. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab it and pull it. See that? So now that it's pulled, right next to it, you're gonna have, it's gonna look just like this. You're gonna have a 10mm bowl. So, excuse me, nut. So I'm going to be using a 10mm with my little ratchet. And right next to it, I don't know if you, oh, right there, you can see it right there. I'm going to put, and you start loosening it up. And once you loosen it up, you can get it out by your hand. Okay, so now you get it out. So now all you have to do is just pull the camshaft. Remember, it's that right here. And you pull it, and this is how it looks. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the other one on the same way you pulled it out, just like this. There's a hole in there. And all you have to do is just find the hole, push it in, make sure it goes in. You gotta make sure you push it in. I should have put a little bit of antifreeze on it, or a little lubricant on it to push it in. So you gotta push it in hard, make sure it goes in. And once you know that it's in, you're gonna take your bowl and you're gonna put it in that hole. Now that you have put it by hand, you're going to use your socket and you're going to tighten it up. Not too hard because it's plastic. Okay, so once you tie it up, all you want to do is put that sensor back, and all you have to do is push it in. There it goes. So we replace, I just want to see, we're only replacing only one of them if the car will start. Let's see. So here it goes, just by replacing one, bank one, camshaft and bank one, the car started automatically. But I'm going to change both of them just for this car to be in good shape. I'll leave the code that I had in case you have the same situation. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below. Or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.